This is pure magic. You saw that we have some new commands with Docker. Things like Docker MCP gateway. Our LLM app is actually gonna run that command for us, or we can run this manually. We don't really need to, unless we want it to be accessed remotely. We can actually do this. We can specify the transport to be standard input output, SSE, streaming, to make it available over the network. Imagine running your own Docker MCP gateway server for all the things in your home network or your business. I'll put this link below, but you can run the Docker MCP gateway as a Docker container totally apart from the Docker MCP toolkit and Docker desktop. Been saying Docker a lot, coffee break. Which means, yes, you could run a headless server somewhere else, running all kinds of crazy stuff. And I'm gonna show you this real quick. I'm gonna run the gateway, Docker MCP gateway run transport. I'm gonna run it with SSE. So now it's actually running over the network instead of standard input output. It's on port 8811. That's my IP address. So real quick, I'm gonna jump into NAN, my local NAN configuration here in my studio. This is gonna be so powerful. I'll create a new workflow. I'll have an AI agent come in and do something crazy, and I'll give it a tool. How about an MCP server? I think it'll just be HTTP / the IP address, port 8811. Oh, it sees everything. Yes, look at that, over the stinking network. 3 steps, find the best restaurant and Airbnb next to it, and then put it in my Obsidian vault using 3 different tools. Can it do it? I have no idea. Let's see. I'm so excited to see how this works. This is magic. This is pure magic. You did it. All right, so where's the best restaurant? Okay, so it gave me a lot of options. Needs some work on the prompt, but still, it used all the tools, just like that, over the network. You just learned MCP. Not only can you use an MCP server, but you learned how to build one yourself, and you know how it works. That's a skill. Put that on your stinking resume.